As the morning mist fades, she steps softly into the jungle garden, dew-kissed herbs glistening under the rising sun. She kneels by the stream, gently washing vegetables. The water flows clear and calm, just like her spirit. She collects dry firewood, stacking it carefully beneath a tall tree, preparing for the day's cooking. With steady hands, she grinds turmeric, garlic, and chilies, the scent rising with each motion of the stone mortar. A clay pot simmers gently over firewood, fragrant steam curling into the air as birds sing nearby. She stirs Samler Korko, a beloved soup of rich vegetables and herbs, her movements graceful and calm. She prepares fish and banana leaves, wrapping each parcel with love and memory of generations past. Eggplants roast over open flames, the smoky scent drifting through the sunlit forest clearing. Her rhythm is steady as she pounds rice in a wooden mortar, echoing tradition in every beat. A small sip from a wooden spoon brings a smile, perfect balance of flavors and warmth. Skewers sizzle over bamboo flames, marinated meat turning golden as she watches with care. She lays out food on woven trays lined with banana leaves, colorful, fresh, inviting. With quiet precision, she folds sticky rice and banana into palm leaves, ready for steaming. She reaches into the canopy, gently twisting ripe mangoes from their branches. White coconut milk streams through her hands as she squeezes the shredded flesh in a cloth. She stirs tamarind sauce in a bamboo bowl, tasting and adjusting with a pinch of sugar and salt. A simple picnic by the stream, food, water, laughter, and sunlight dancing on the water. Before the first bite, she gives thanks with a quiet offering to the spirits of the land. She sits with loved ones, laughter echoing as they share food, stories, and the joy of home. As the sun sets behind the waterfall, she washes the last dish with a smile. A day of tradition, love, and flavor is complete.